Hey guys, it's Carrie here. I'm back on another video. This time I'll be showing you guys how to connect to Dex Dual Canvas mode using your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or any compatible Samsung device using this little hub right here. So guys, I made a whole video about Samsung Dex Dual Canvas mode right here. You could click in the pop-up card. I go into more detail, showing you more demonstration, but basically Samsung Dex Dual Canvas mode lets you draw using Adobe Sketch on your phone while seeing your artwork on the big screen. And that's the first app that's compatible. Usually when you open an app in Dex mode, it can either open in Dex mode or on your phone. You can't have like them open on both. So this is cool that you can be drawing on your phone and seeing the greater details. So that's the gist. Also guys, wanted to give you guys a quick channel update that I'll be posting twice a week. I've been posting twice a week now for the past week or 2 weeks. I post every Tuesdays and Saturdays. And also, if you guys may notice, my audio has improved. I got a new clip-in mic, and so you guys won't have to suffer my videos anymore. Probably one more video that I recorded in the past that I'm still editing that didn't have this audio, so please forgive me in advance. And also, my website is live. Every tech video or a demonstration video will have an accompanied blog post. So I have 2 articles up so far, so please check it out in the link in the description. I always put like related blog posts so you guys, as a way for me to give you guys more value, add more information, especially if the video is a little bit older or I found new information on there, and sometimes I go in depth a bit more and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my new hobby. So let's get on right into this video, guys. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna do is plug this into our devices. So the multi-hub, the HDMI cable. So the first thing you're gonna do is plug it into your phone like this. And as you can see, Dex mode is not prompted yet, and it's just duplicating the screen. So to fix that, guys, that's why there's an extra USB Type-C right here. So that way you have to have your phone plugged in and charged with these multi cables, the multiple port cables compared to the regular just straight up HDMI and USB Type-C. And so now Dex mode is prompted. You guys didn't see that because so what we're gonna do is download Adobe Sketch from the Play Store, and that's currently what I'm doing right now. I uninstall it just for the purpose of this video. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's finished downloading, so we're gonna open Adobe Sketch on our phones or devices, and it's gonna prompt you to sign in, so let's just quickly do that. Alright guys, so this is Adobe Sketch, and this is it without being connected to the little hub thing, to Dex. So if it's not connected, you're not gonna see the little sharing display icon. So guys, so if you don't have Dex connected or open, it's not gonna show that little icon to cast your screen. So now you guys are gonna see the difference when I do have it plugged in. Alright guys, so we're gonna be plugging into the hub and connecting to Dex again. Adobe Sketch. So come on. And Dex is in the background. For some reason it reopened on there. But let's just reopen it on here. Cause wait, let me just try something, guys. Oh man. Let's see. Use phone as touchpad. Close. Let's see. Because if we start a new project, on here. Oh no. So if you start a new project on here, I don't know if you guys saw, I just clicked. Alright guys, when you first open Adobe Sketch on Dex mode, it'll show you this screen. I'll put it in the pop-up, and that's when I couldn't show you guys on here because I wasn't focusing. So we're just gonna. So yeah, it usually shows you that if you open it first, the very first time on Dex mode. So, but it doesn't really tell you how to do it. So that's what we'll be showing you guys. So once you go back and open Adobe Sketch on your phone, and just click on here, and then click the little, now since you have your thing, since you have the hub connected, you could click this little casting icon, and then I'll prompt this dialog. And that's it guys, that's all you need. You just need to give it a little go and check. And now let me zoom back. Now let's click on this again, the little casting icon, and boom guys, this is how we do it. This is how you do Dex mode. Okay, see, look, what I'm drawing on here is on there. I could zoom in as much as I want on here, but it'll still be big up there. So I'm just doing quick doodles because I'm on a time crunch. So guys, that's how you connect to Dex. And I can't believe they made this like a hidden menu. It was really hard for me to get this to work at first. So I hope this works for you guys. So if you go on about Adobe Sketch, you'll see it is an official update. But you know, they didn't really put that much instruction. So I hope this video was helpful guys. And alright, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Someone else may have that same question, and then I'll answer you guys, and then everyone will be able to see if they, you know, scroll down the description. And also I'll be making a blog post on this, so you guys can have written version of this and not just like my voice and demonstrating. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. It's gonna be a tutorial, so keep in post notification for that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.